Hey guys, today let's learn how to find the Apple ID password on your iPhone device. So if in the case that you want to go ahead and locate where your Apple ID password is, or just have a quick peep of to remind you of what it is, well, as of the current moment, especially when you're using an iPhone, there's actually no way for us to view a preview of what our Apple ID password is. This is because iOS and Apple does uphold its security features and, well, uphold security itself. So it doesn't show you a preview of the password, but if in the case that you want to go ahead and reset your password, you can actually do that by tapping on your settings, tapping on your Apple ID right there. And I want you to proceed with basically tapping on sign in. If you have your Apple ID logged out, you will have an option to sign in through this section. Go ahead and proceed with tapping on that. There is also going to be an option right there to tap on forgot password. Now, I want you to just follow the on-screen instructions, enter your Apple ID email, and all of the necessary information that they will need for you, and you're going to have the chance to reset your password. Of course, they will send you a reset code or a reset link through whichever email that you have available in order for basically for you to reset your password successfully. And that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.